When it comes to services in Jamaica, people are aggressive, especially the men. The men scares you. When I said scares you. They frighten you. I am afraid of the men in Jamaica. Yes, the men. Men, male, however you call them, because some people are not comfortable with you calling them a man or a male or whatever species, but whatever they are, the persons, the ones that have their genital area is the long thing, not the round one. So you get what I'm saying, right? However, I sat there for 1.5 hours. The bus would not come. So I decided to go back to the ABM to check if it started working. When I went there, the people from the money company, what they're called? Something like that. I don't know. Something. The people that put the money in the machine. They were there servicing the machine, I heard, for over 1 hour. Mind you, the outside the bank was crowded. Everybody wanted to go inside. Now, what I understand was that once you push your card in the machine and you put in a certain amount of money, you did not get the money. However, it's taken from your account. I do not have online service, but people there that have online service let me know that. So if in case you put your card in 3 times and the 3 times that you push your card in that machine, you tend to get $100,000. Remind you that those 3 times, $300,000 has been removed from your account and you did not get $800. So what happened is that one good lady gave me 2 of these. 2 of these. These are Jamaican $100. They can pay your fare on the bus and might can buy some sweets. That's what it can do. However, this good lady, God bless her heart. So the bus services is bad. The machine services is bad. The taxi services are bad. And literally everything is delinquent in this, our lovely highland in the sun, Jamaica. And let me tell you, there are beautiful people here. I am beautiful.